If you suspect a mould problem in your home or office, a professional mould inspector should be called to inspect the property. The professional will visually inspect your property and may take surface or air samples. If mould is visibly present on any surface, a sample of it may be taken using transparent tape or a specially designed swab. To see if there are elevated levels of mould in the air samples are taken using a specially designed cassette called a spore trap. Spore traps work by drawing in air to collect airborne bioaerosols including fungi, pollen, and particulates. As the air is drawn in, any airborne bioaerosols present are impacted onto a sticky glass slide inside the plastic cassette. This forms a pattern on the slide referred to as the trace. The samples are then shipped to the lab for analysis. The lab technician removes the sticky glass slide from the spore trap, adds a coloured dye to make the objects more visible before placing it onto a full slide. To analyse the trace, a light microscope is used. Since the mould spores are very small and often clumped together, a magnification of 600 is needed to see them. The entire trace must be analysed at this magnification to ensure no mould spores are missed. This is the best quality analysis and is referred to as 100% analysis at 600x. Many labs cut corners and analyse only part of the sample at this high magnification to save time and money. The resulting analysis is thus lower in quality and accuracy. At AEML labs, we always analyse 100% of the trace at 600x, providing the best quality analysis. So insist your mould inspector uses a quality professional lab where 100% of your sample is analysed at a magnification of 600 to ensure the most accurate results. Once the lab finishes with the analysis, using the flow, rate and time in which the air was drawn into the cassettes, mould present in a cubic metre of air is calculated and a report is generated and sent back to the mould inspector. The mould inspector will then, in turn, explain the results to the client and determine if there are elevated mould conditions at the property.